Crea'Madonas, welcome back to the channel. I am Valitra and I'm the crafty black girl. So you guys, getting started, we are doing a Paw Patrol Easter basket. So I'm doing one for a girl, one for a boy. These little gift sets that you see already on there, like that little trouble game, that came from Walgreens, and the bowling set came from Five Below. So basically the coloring book came from Dollar Tree last year. I told you guys I picked up some items last year and that was one of them. This little chalk set came from Dollar General and it was $1, and I was so excited to find it because I really didn't have many Paw Patrol items. So I secured the side of the basket so it doesn't bend forward or backward when I actually shrink wrap the basket. So the little cup I got from either Family Dollar or Dollar Tree, and the bubbles definitely came from Dollar Tree. Now this little bowling set I got from Five Below for $5, and I wanted to do something a little different, so I went ahead and put it on the skewers. You guys already know how I like to do with the skewers, and I'm basically just going to stand this up. So I'm just going to make like a little fort, and I'm going to take these tattoos and put them in the front. We want to cover up the sticks. I don't want them to see the bottom underneath the basket, so I'm just going to tape that double side, some packing tape, put it up underneath there to secure it. And then I'm going to take this little nightlight. I bought that last year as well from Dollar Tree. When you see those, guys, grab them because they're not always in Dollar Tree, but they're a great thing to add to the basket. I also got that toothbrush set from Dollar Tree, and then the yo-yo came from Target. So I will be checking Target more often, you guys, because I never really go there, but lately I've been finding some really good things in Target, and they've been very affordable, if not on the lower end. The next thing I'm going to do is just go ahead and add the candy. Always add the candy last and just fill in. And then I thought it would be really cute to go ahead and just fill this basket underneath with candy, because of course on the outside they will think that that's all the candy they got until they open up the basket and tear it apart, and there'll be more candy and eggs underneath. So then I'm going to go ahead and add the backing to the girl basket, as I always do. You guys already know how I do that, securing everything down and just making sure everything is seamless and covered. So you guys, this is what these baskets look like. I loved how they came out. It pulled together nicely. Yeah, Five Below, where did I go? Walgreens and Dollar Tree, Dollar General for these items. So give it a thumbs up if you like the video, or if you like the baskets, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. Did you do Paw Patrol this time? Yes or no? Until next time, stay crafty.